Congratulations. I wish you all luck for the rest of your life. Good evening, everybody. Deciding to spend the rest of their lives together is certainly one of the most exciting adventures a young couple can embark on. And what could be more appropriate than having a particularly exciting car on hand to start this adventure, much like our SUV. To celebrate the year of the SUV at Mercedes-Benz, I brought another very, very exciting special SUV idea to the stage, the all-new Concept GLB. It's both a compact car and an SUV all in one. With this format, it exactly fits between the GLA and the GLC. Here's why we see big potential in this type of vehicle. First, usability. This concept car seats 7 passengers on a slightly stretched A-Class platform. It's spacious on the inside, yet still compact on the outside. We saw earlier, it's perfect to bring family and friends along with you. Second, safety. As with our other compacts, this concept car features safety and assistance systems on an S-Class level. Third, comfort. The Concept GLB provides a fine assortment of SUV-style comfort elements, including high seating position, easy entry, and great visibility all around. The final aspect I want to discuss, of course, is design. Just a few days from now, we'll start celebrating 40 years of the G-Class. Our legendarily capable and iconic off-roader has been around at Mercedes for almost as long as I have. Rumor has it that people have long been fantasizing about a baby G, a smaller version of the original G-Class. Well, this concept definitely is off-road ready, and it looks like it too. But it's important to me to point out that this concept car is not some downsized copy of the G-Class. This Concept GLB is a unique car with its very own personality and character. This character is underlined by an edgy design that clearly stands out from the masses, and it even stands out in the Mercedes portfolio. The Concept GLB is clearly up for the next adventure. There are large wheels, extra lights, and high ground clearance. There's permanent 4MATIC all-wheel drive and a new off-road driving program to help out whenever the road gets bad, or as off-road enthusiasts would put it, good. With its wild appearance, the Concept GLB is still perfectly in line with the clean and clear design language that our customers love from our current compact car lineup. And it brings together the best attributes from 2 of our most successful segments, SUVs and compact cars. Speaking of compact cars, they are super successful here in China and around the world. 1 of 4 Mercedes sold last year was a compact. Equally important, our compact cars draw new and younger customers to our brand. This holds true here in China in particular. Mercedes customers here are the youngest around the world. Every third A-Class buyer is even younger than 30. And for 1/3, it's their first car ever. One important driver to attract a new generation of Mercedes owners is, of course, connectivity. Our Hey Mercedes voice assistant has redefined the way our customers interact with their Mercedes. It's the industry benchmark today, and the system keeps improving. Just like your smartphones, your smart Mercedes receives regular software updates and new features. And it gets to know your habits and preferences. Looking ahead, we can't wait to provide more of our customers with MBUX as a good friend and companion on the road. Ladies and gentlemen, I think tonight's show makes one thing perfectly clear. When we say 2019 is the year of the SUV at Mercedes in China, we mean it. We keep broadening our SUV portfolio with more excellent choices, from this Concept GLB to our EQC and GLE. Concerning our show car, here I'm happy to announce it won't remain a concept for long. The series-built GLB will be officially unveiled this summer. It will be yet another Mercedes made in China for China. The same holds true for our EQB, an all-electric compact SUV, that will be available in China from 2021. And we will soon unveil another important member of our SUV team, the all-new GLS. We'll celebrate its world premiere in New York City within the next 48 hours. In short, we keep adding flexibility to our portfolio in terms of drivetrains, from plug-ins to all-electric to efficient combustion engines, and in terms of usability, providing 5- and 7-seaters or even long-wheel-base variants. That's why we are confident we will be able to add more chapters to our success story in China and around the globe. We are happy and grateful for your loyalty and friendship. Xie xie. Thank you very much and enjoy the evening.